Enable dual apps on your new Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Ultra, or Plus so you can use one app with two different accounts. So here's the quickest way to install it. So first, you have to open up your settings on your Samsung Galaxy device. Next, scroll down and tap Advanced Features, and from here, scroll down again until you find Dual Messenger. So inside this section, you will see a list of supported apps that can run a second copy, such as Facebook, WhatsApp, Messenger, or more. Now, simply turn on the toggle for the app you want to duplicate. So when the prompt appears, tap Install to create the second copy of the app, and the system may ask you to confirm the installation. Just tap Next and then OK, and you can follow the same steps to install a second copy for any other supported app shown here. And once it's done, go back to your home screen or app drawer, and you will now see the duplicated app with a small icon showing that it's the second copy. Now open that app and sign in with your second account, while the original app can stay logged in with your main account. And that's it. That's how you can use two accounts of the same app on your new Samsung Galaxy S26 series.